What's good, YouTube? It's your man, Young Tesla. We back. We doing the GOPUFF day today. It's like 10 to 2, and plus we doing 9 to 12. That's if I don't pick anything up in between that. I was supposed to be off yesterday. Picked up 2 shifts, so I'm back, man. I'm back. Had to get back used to it, get back in the groove of things. But right now, I'm actually picking up 3 roadies, and we still doing the GOPUFF. Oh yeah, y'all boys better get like me. Y'all ladies better learn how to do it. I'm trying to show y'all how to get the money while getting the money, man. Let's pick up this roadie right now. We here. Okay, so finally, they had to. It wouldn't scan. I'm gonna show you all the address and all that, but it wouldn't scan. So I had to call Roadie, and Roadie had to update my phone number so they can send me a text, and then I had to send them back a picture. And then they had to complete the pickup without it scanning, which is cool. Now, I need to go make the drop. I'm taking it to a Walgreens, so that's cool. I guess, I don't know, it's a return from them or something like that. And then I got like 2 more pickups to make from Home Depot. And I've been checking to see if what's the name, GOPUFF signed me out yet. They ain't signed me out yet. Let's go. We at the Walgreens. Let's make the roadie drop. Waiting on hold with Roadie. They got to review the picture of the drop off now. I had to send them a picture of the actual pickup at first. Let me see if I show you. Boom. You know, had to send them the pictures. Asked them to go ahead and complete the order because it won't scan. So while we on the way to the other one, hopefully they go ahead and do this. Bada boom, bada bing. Okay, you see where we at now? We at the depot. Let's make the pickup. All right, we're picking these up. It's like some cans of truck bed liner. They was all in 2 bags. Let's make the drop. All right, so we pulled back up. I had to go get 2 new tires, got them done. And now I pulled back up to GOPUFF. They had like a 3 to 7. I got done a little late at the tire spot, so I'm doing a 4:30 to 7. I know, right? But hey, we're getting them hours in. So they just gave me a bin. Let's pull around to the back and pick it up. GOPUFF, baby. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. Y'all know what we doing. Alright. Probably get a little thumbnail in there somewhere. Let's get ready to make the drop. Tesla. Tesla Roadster.
Built for this, ain't built for this. We built for this, man. I got a lot to live. Hey, bitch, I'm the GOAT. Don't let me find out you told. I put this gun to your neck, and I already the time. You nigga, we done with the dread. And if you coming from mine, like gotta come with respect. Bitch, I'm the GOAT. Your spine, it could be numb from the tag. Whole city know we back. Old 50 when we back. Ain't nobody stop me now. 2050 20 racks. Put this molly on your tongue, take the pill and throw it back. All my niggas take a shot. All my bitches shake your ass. Go, go, go.